to make a new friend and a colleague at your table. And I encourage you guys to all get to know someone else this weekend that you did not know before coming, because we're from all around. Amen.
I am a family child care professional, 54 years and 6 months. Because now we do have a union that back in 2002 I got involved with and started advocating for and fighting for, along with providers as we started gathering them. In 2020, or actually 2019, we finally won our bargaining rights. And because we won our bargaining rights, we now have a seat at the table, and we're fighting for retirement, and we're fighting for health care, training funds, and it's training funds that brought us to this today for a training, something providers normally would not have been able to afford to do, because we're coming from all over the place. We've talked about the training funds, we've talked about child care in general, and our rights, and being a voice and being heard and standing up for those rights, and getting a pay increase for the subsidy programs, because we're still way down the line of it hasn't been increased enough, that we're still way below a fair wage. So we're talking about that.